You got food in her hair.
You are so getting a bath.
Yeah.
And guess what? Now that you did that, we have to wash your hair.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Stop it!
Hey. Mason.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Mason.
No, ma'am.
Hey.
Especially when that cup is being held in the cup holder of a Budget rent-a-car. You see, renting from Budget is the sort of smart decision that can only come from
What happened?
So it only makes sense.
What happened is you're going to get spankings.
What happened?
Right now, when you rent Budget twice, you'll